Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to allow profile transfer on Netflix. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Whether you're living in a house or a relationship, it's better to learn how to transfer your Netflix profile instead of creating a new one from scratch. After all, your profile caters to your tastes since it recommends new movies and shows according to what you've watched previously. Not to mention the fact that it saves your watch history, including the ones that you haven't quite finished just yet. So what if you want to allow your account to transfer profile? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Netflix. You can log in with your mobile apps or on the website. Here's I'm using Netflix website on my laptop. After that, you can go to your profile in here, the upper right corner here, and you'll find there is an option transfer profile. You can just click on that. Now you can see in here, do you want to allow profile transfer? If you allow profile transfer on your account, so other people using your account will be able to transfer profile including recommendations, viewing history, my list, saved games, settings, and more to their own membership that they pay for. And you will allowing this feature will not log out any devices on your account. Netflix we will never transfer your payment information because provide cannot be transferred. So you can just click on allow. Your set profile transfer will be available soon. Now you can just this feature will be enabled in 2 days. If you want to enable instantly, you can click the confirmation link in the email to set your email. Once enabled, other people using your account will be able to transfer profile to their own membership. Now you can just click on continue to Netflix. It's very simple, right? Now you just need to enable, you can verify, you can confirm in your email that Netflix sent to you. It's very simple, right? So that is how to enable transfer profile on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!